segment, I am going to explain trigonometry. It is a part of mathematics of class 10. So let us see trigonometry. Actually, it is a branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of sides and angles of a triangle. Actually, with the help of trigonometry, we can measure the sides and angles of the triangle. It consists of two words, that is that trigono means triangle and metron means measure. Means it is used to measure the sides of the triangle, angles of the triangle. In this segment, we shall read about the trigonometric ratio. What are the trigonometric ratio? Actually, these are the ratio of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angle. In right triangle, the ratio of the sides with respect to acute triangle is measured in this by the help of trigonometric ratio. These trigonometric ratio are the six. There are six trigonometric ratio. These are the sine. In short form, it is written as sine. Cosine, it is in the short form it is written as cos. Tangent, in the short form it is written as tan. Cosine, in short form it is written as cosec. Secant, in the short form it is written as sec. And cotangent, it is in the short form it is written as only cot. These are the six trigonometric ratio which you have to remember: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. For this derivation, we should consider ABC is a triangle in which B is the right triangle. We know that the side opposite to the angle is known as the perpendicular, and side adjacent to the angle is base, and this is the hypotenuse, the side in front of the right angle. Hypotenuse, perpendicular, base. In the right triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Here suppose that angle ACB is theta. Actually, theta is a Greek letter and it is written for the angles which is unknown. So using the theta and that is written as theta, we can find all the trigonometric ratios. These are the, we have to remember, sin theta is equal to P upon H, cos theta is equal to B upon H, tan theta is equal to P upon B. What is this? Hypotenuse H, perpendicular P and base B. Similarly, cosec H upon P means hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta, that is hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta, base upon perpendicular. These are the six trigonometric ratio. For the sake of convenience and easy to remember, first of all you write PBP divided by below HHB. Now you divide this. Now it is written P upon H for the sine, P upon H for the cos, P upon B for the tan. So these are the three main ratios, and other ratios are the reciprocals of the other trigonometric ratio. Like sin theta and cos theta are reciprocal to each other. Means sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cos theta and sec theta are reciprocal to each other. That is cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. And tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to each other. That is tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Or it can be written as cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. It can be explained like this. If you write 1 by cos theta, then 1 upon the value of cosec theta. Value of the cosec theta H upon P. h upon p. P has gone on the in the numerator. Now we have become p by h, and p by h is for sin theta. So we can prove 1 by cos theta is equal to sin theta, or sin theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. In this way, the other reciprocals can be explained. One thing I want to say that sin theta means it is not the product of sin and theta, but it is a sine of theta. It is a sine of theta. It is the sine of the given angle, and sin theta square can be written as sin square theta. By the help of this trigonometric ratio, you can find the sides of the other trigonometric ratio, and if the two sides have been given, you will first calculate the unknown side by the help of Pythagoras theorem, and then you can find all the trigonometric ratio. I shall explain it later on. Till keep watching.